Understanding, give it due care, in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, give it due care. This phrase is often used in both formal and informal settings, and understanding it can really enhance your English communication skills. Let's dive into what this phrase means and how you can use it effectively. Give it due care is a phrase that combines a few key elements. The word give implies providing or offering something. It is a pronoun that can refer to any subject or object being discussed. Due means proper or appropriate, and care refers to attention or consideration. So, putting it all together, give it due care means to provide the appropriate level of attention or consideration to something. This phrase can be used in various scenarios. In a professional setting, it might mean handling a task with the necessary seriousness and attention. For example, please give this report due care before submitting it. In a personal context, it could refer to taking care of someone or something properly. Like, give your plants due care, and they will thrive. A common mistake learners make is confusing due with do. Remember, do, in this context, is about appropriateness, not action. Also, the phrase is not about overexerting but providing just the right amount of care. It's about balance and appropriateness. That's all about give it due care. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use this phrase correctly in your conversations. Remember, practicing these phrases in different contexts can really boost your language skills. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.